The Oukitel WP300 is making waves as the world's first industrial-grade modular rugged smartphone. The phone is expected to debut on Kickstarter towards the end of May 2025. The official price is listed at $599, but early adopters might find it for $399 through initial promotions. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs in this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So its standout feature is its modularity. The device comes with two interchangeable modules that are attached to the back, including a wireless earbud module that can also function as a smartwatch when detached and placed in a wristband. The device also has a camping light module, which is a detachable bright LED light for outdoor activities. Additionally, the device boasts IP68, IP69K and military-grade standard 810H certifications, ensuring resistance to dust, water, including high-pressure water jets, and according to Oukitel, the device can survive being submerged up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It could also survive drops of up to 1.5 meters. The phone features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels and 650 nits of brightness, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Additionally, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 750 octa-core processor. It also offers 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. And while it supports dual SIM, users might have to choose between a second SIM and microSD card for storage expansion. Now in the camera department, the device appeared to have a dual rear camera setup. Its main sensor is 108 MP. The front-facing camera is 32 MP, which is perfect for selfies and video calls. Of course, this device is capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30 FPS, but it doesn't support OIS. The phone packs a massive 16,000 mAh battery, supported by 45 watts fast charging and 18 watts reverse charging capabilities. Connectivity includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, and the device runs on the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Other features include OTG, face unlock, GPS and other essential navigation systems, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP300. As I mentioned earlier, the device is expected to debut on Kickstarter towards the end of May 2025, and it may cost up to $600. Anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.